Hey foodies, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're bringing you the ultimate guide to healthier cooking with our countdown of the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. I'm Noor, and I'm excited to share these amazing kitchen gadgets with you. But before we dive into the list, make sure to smash that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest culinary adventures. Alright, let's get frying with our number 5 pick. Coming in at number 5, we have the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone Air Fryer. This powerhouse appliance features 2 independent cooking zones, allowing you to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously. With its large capacity and dual cooking baskets, it's perfect for feeding the whole family. Plus, with its air fry, roast, bake, and dehydrate functions, you can whip up a variety of delicious meals with ease. Next up, at number 4, we have the Philips XXL Digital Twin Turbo Star Air Fryer. This innovative air fryer features Twin Turbo Star technology, which removes excess fat from food, resulting in healthier, crispy results every time. With its extra-large capacity and digital touchscreen interface, it's perfect for cooking larger batches of your favorite foods. Plus, its dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. Taking the 3rd spot on our list is the Curated Air Fryer Max XL. This sleek and compact air fryer packs a punch with its 5.8-quart capacity and 11 preset cooking functions. Whether you're frying, roasting, baking, or even making homemade snacks, this air fryer has you covered. And with its shake reminder function, you'll never forget to shake your food for even cooking. Coming in at number 2, we have the Instant Vortex Pro Air Fryer Oven. This versatile appliance combines the functions of an air fryer, toaster oven, and rotisserie oven into one convenient package. With its spacious interior and 10 preset cooking programs, you can cook everything from crispy fries to juicy rotisserie chicken with ease. Plus, its sleek stainless steel design looks great in any kitchen. And finally, our top pick for the best air fryer of 2024 is the Chefman Turbo Fry Touch Air Fryer. This state-of-the-art air fryer features innovative touchscreen controls and rapid air technology, delivering crispy, delicious results with up to 85% less fat than traditional frying methods. And there you have it, folks, our picks for the top 5 best air fryers of 2024. Which one are you adding to your kitchen wishlist? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching.